Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. Today in this video I will show you some beautiful and amazing designs of Crochet Men T-shirt patterns, and like they are very stylish and unique garments that are handmade using crochet techniques. These t-shirts offer a distinct and fashionable look, combining the comfort of a t-shirt with the intricate and textured patterns created through crochet. Like they are very trending in nowadays. Here are some key aspects I would definitely tell you about men's t-shirts, because in my last videos I usually came up with women accessories and women dresses and baby dresses, but this is the first video in which I am showing you some beautiful designs of men t-shirts and shirts patterns. Like they are very handmade, and each t-shirt is unique and carries the mark of the marker's craftsmanship. Like they are very customized to fit individual preferences. You can make it anyone's size, from choosing the yarn color and texture to selecting the pattern or design. These t-shirts can be tailored to personal style and taste. Like you have a freedom to design the way you want it to be, in any color, in any shape. It's all up to you guys. And crochet patterns on men t-shirts make them stand out from regular mass produced garments. The combination of stitches, textures and designs create a visually appealing and attention grabbing look. So they are very breathable and comfortable and add versatility to the personality, and very eco-friendly as compared to other t-shirts, and like using the materials and yarns contributing to sustainable fashion practices. So choosing handmade crochet garments can support ethical and eco-conscious fashion choices. So yeah, crochet men t-shirts offer a blend of style, comfort and individuality. They are perfect for those who appreciate the artistry of crochet and want to add a distinct touch to their wardrobe. As you can see the model, oh my god, he looks so dashing. So yeah, that's all. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel and follow for more, and let me know your favorite crochet design pattern for men t-shirts from this video. So don't forget to press the bell icon button for latest video. Yeah, that's all. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.